Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kriya. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of Moly egg pore nose pack. So the MRP of single strip is 50 rupees and we also get it in a packaging where there are 7 strips which are for 300 rupees. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's go with the packaging, guys. These strips comes in a cream color outer packaging, inside which we get the nose strips which are white in color, which are on a transparent package. The back side of the packaging we have some of the instructions and everything in Korean, and they also gave the instructions and directions and everything in English as well, which is really great. So these strips are easily available in Nykaa, but you know that combo pack is not that easily available. It's always out of stock, and in offline stores we can't get these easily. So the directions to use these nose strips is, first we have to clean our nose and then we have to wet our nose. On our wet nose we have to keep these strips, we have to remove the strip from the transparent thing, and then we have to stick it on our nose. We have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then we have to remove these strips from outer corner, not from the middle but from one of the corners, so that you know it will be removed easily and it's not sticking too harshly onto our skin, guys. We can easily remove this strip. We don't get those teary eyes when we are removing these strips, which is a great thing. And when we remove, almost all 80 to 85% of our blackheads and whiteheads will be removed by these strips. The reason why these nose strips are really effective on our skin is because it has eggshell powder and charcoal mixed in this, which are used in these strips, because of which our blackheads and whiteheads are removed so easily on different skin types. Now let's go into the pros and cons of this product. So pro number 1 is the packaging is really simple, travel friendly, it's so good. And second pro is it's affordable, so it's really affordable. And third pro is it only takes 10 to 15 minutes to remove the blackheads from our nose, which is great thing. And fourth pro is it don't have a lot of chemicals. And fifth pro is it almost all removes 85% of our blackheads and whiteheads on any of the skin type. So these are the pros. Now let's go into the cons. So first con is, if you have fat nose like mine, then you can't cover all your nose with this strip, so that is a con number 1. And con number 2 is it's not that effective. It's effective, it's really effective, but it's not 100% effective, so that is con number 2. And con number 3 is it's not easily available offline stores. It's never, at least near my area it's not available anywhere offline. And even in online we can, in Nykaa we can only get a single strip of this, but you can't get that combo one. So if you want to try it out, first try the single strip like for 50 rupees, and if you feel that it's okay, it's working on your skin, then you can definitely go with the combo pack as well. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, sunshine. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.